Turn any photo into a retro Polaroid style. Create professional headshots in seconds. Design your own mini action figures. Try out a bold 90 seconds pixie cut look. Hey creators, want to make your photos look amazing with Google Gemini's Nano Banana? In this video, I'll show you how to turn any photo into a retro Polaroid style. Create professional headshots in seconds. Design your own mini action figures. Try out a bold 90 seconds pixie cut look. All this with just a few clicks. Let's dive into Google Gemini's Nano Banana and unleash 4 jaw-dropping features that'll make your content shine. 1. Make a photo look like instant film. This feature uses AI to apply the distinct aesthetic characteristics of instant film photography like Polaroid or old-school film to a standard photo you provide. This includes adding a classic white border, soft vintage lighting, subtle film grain, and a warm, nostalgic color tone. How it can be used. Take this photo and make it look like a vintage Polaroid-style instant photo. Include the classic white border, soft diffused light, and a subtle grain effect. Do not change the people's faces. Result. A digital photo, for example, a modern selfie or group picture, is transformed into an image that looks like it was just taken with a vintage instant camera. Ready to share as a nostalgic keepsake. Upload another image and add the prompt. Convert this photo into faded 1980s instant film prints, laid out on a table, with sepia tones and slight creases. The result mimics scattered Polaroids from a family album, perfect for event invitations, or scrapbook-style digital art. 2. Create a professional headshot. This is an AI photo editing feature that takes a casual photo like a simple selfie and transforms it into a polished, high-quality headshot, suitable for professional platforms like LinkedIn, resumes, or company websites. How it can be used. Upload an image and write the prompt. Convert this uploaded image into a crisp, executive-level professional headshot. The lighting should be soft studio light, and I should be wearing a tailored navy blazer with a confident, approachable expression. Use a blurred, modern office background. Result: the AI updates your clothing, adjusts the lighting to look professional, refines your features, and adds a suitable blurred background, giving you a polished corporate image without a photographer or studio. 3. Make my own custom mini figure. This feature uses advanced image generation to turn a photo of a person, pet, or object into a photorealistic, collectible-style miniature figure, or action figure, often displayed in a commercial product showcase setting. How it can be used. Upload an image and write the prompt. Generate a photorealistic 1/7 scale character figure. Based on this photo of me. The figure is posed dynamically on a transparent acrylic base and displayed in a collector's glass showcase box with subtle spotlighting. Result: an image is created showing a detailed, high-quality collectible figure that perfectly resembles the person in your uploaded photo, complete with realistic material textures, professional lighting, and packaging art. 4. Give me a 90 seconds pixie cut. This uses Gemini's editing capabilities to realistically apply a specific hairstyle like a classic 90 seconds pixie cut. Short, often textured or finger-waved onto a portrait photo, while keeping your original facial features consistent and realistic. How it can be used. Upload the image and write the prompt. Transform the person's hair in this photo to a short, wavy 90 seconds pixie cut. Keep the face 100% identical. And add soft, black and white film noir style lighting. Result: the AI generates a new image where the person in the photo is shown with the requested short haircut and style, allowing them to visualize the look before making a permanent change in real life. To create the classic 90 seconds grunge look, upload an image and write the prompt. Give me a 90 seconds pixie cut, short, choppy layers, with dark roots and magenta tips, wearing a yellow flannel shirt, in a faded Polaroid style. Gemini transforms the hair while adding era-appropriate vibes, great for cosplay inspiration or TikTok trends. To create the vintage Bollywood twist, upload an image and write the prompt. Style this woman with a 90 seconds pixie cut in soft waves, open dark brown hair as a baddie with a flower, in a grainy retro sari portrait evoking 90 seconds movie innocence. This creates a culturally fused image useful for fashion mood boards or personalized avatars. These 4 features let your imagination run wild, making your content pop with nostalgic vibes and personal flair. So, grab your phone, fire up Gemini, and start creating viral magic that'll leave your audience wanting more. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep the creativity blooming.